go. Get back and swing your hand. Everybody gonna join hands, circle to the left and moving on down. And all ladies, spin your top, go twice. Swing your lady promenade, we sure made it, make sure you go twice. Rockin and Rosalie. Hit there, touch a quarter and roll. Slide through a red left, return your lady. Now here to the left and then Ferris wheel. Both centers pass through. You touch a quarter, follow your neighbor. Do a half spread, swing the corner promenade. Here we show a middle of so waves on the water. Rockin and Rosalie. Side pair promenade, travel halfway around. Gonna walk right in past the ocean there. Ping pong circulation. Then ping pong, or go extend, I'm sorry. Relay to Lucy. Hey, moving round the ring. Swing your corner, girl, promenade her around. Sure made lots of silver waves on the water. Get lady center, teacup chain. Four-man promenade inside the ring goes. Swing your girl. You promenade her all around that water. Rockin and Rosalie. Now in there, promenade, go halfway around. Walking past the ocean. Extend and then swing through. The ladies fold, peel your top. And a red left through, turn the lady. Now pass through, chase right. Swing the corner promenade. Hey, we sure made lots of waves on the water. Rockin and Rosalie's boat. Hey, those side pair touch a quarter and roll. You slide through, do the right left through. Now veer to the left and then Ferris wheel for me. Those centers pass through. You'll single circle to an ocean wave. The boys train twice. Swinger, you take the lady there and promenade her. Hey, we sure made lots of waves on the water. Rockin and Rosalie. Head lady center to the teacup chain. Four-man promenade inside the ring and go. Get on back to the girl and swing. Take your lady promenader. Hey, we sure made lots of waves on the water. Rockin and Rosalie. Do it out of my left and swing. Rockin and Rosalie.